All right, guys, we took the wheel off. It's right over there underneath of the car. Jacks everywhere. So now we're gonna remove this pin right over here. So a lot of people, they put a screwdriver. I just move that stuff. Just move it. You see, you gotta move it out of the hole. You know, this part right here out of the hole. This part right here out of the hole. For me, it was easy to put the screwdriver right here and make pressure, and boom. You know, same thing on the bottom. Boom, that thing is out. All right, wherever you feel comfortable, you take the bracket off. All right, very simple. Now we go to the back of the caliper. You see, I'm already set up. The ratchet is the hex, 9mm hex. It's this one right here. You know, some YouTuber says it's 12. For me, it was 9. It's the hex. Hex, H-E-X. So you find it in any auto parts. So, first things first. Okay, you're gonna find a hole right here, and it's like you're gonna find a plastic cap right here, and another one underneath, but I don't have it. So right inside there, we'll put this hex. Okay, so we're gonna remove that bolt. I use the help, this little bar, so that's gonna be easy to remove it. Okay, you got the idea. Let's go remove the other one on the bottom. All right. While you're working this, you see this ball right here is moving. So we just need to take that off. There's the one on top. So I'm going to show you when this is going to be all loose, okay? Those two balls. Well, accident. Okay, when you lose all those two balls, we just need to take this caliper out. But this is going to be hard. So we gotta put your screwdriver right in here and try to, move it towards you and push that caliper a little bit inside. Okay. So when the caliper moves a little bit inside, You see? That's the part that you need to move. Okay, right here is better. It's better lighting. So you put your screwdriver right here and you push towards you know, try to make this thing loose. When you do that, this thing is going to be loose. So we're going to put it right on top, like so. Okay, we're going to place it right here, right on top. Okay, fine right there. This is one of the brakes. Look at how bad it is. They never change it. Oh my God. Okay. And this is the other one. So we just, you know, it's easy to, you can take it with your hands or you can take it with a screwdriver. But we're going to press this down. We're going to press all this down with the tool. I'm going to show you. I'm going to place the C-clamp. Place the C-clamp right there. And we're going to press the caliper down. So it's going to be all flush and flat. Let's see, it's going down one side. I'm going to put it right here. It's going down to the other side. It's going to be flush. Okay, this is the other side. Okay, almost flush. Take a screwdriver and press this up. Here's some clips right there. You see, there is some clips that they go inside that hole. Very simple. I'll replace those. Always compare. This is the old brakes. This is a new one. So always compare that they're the same shape. So they're the same shape. You see the clips right there. All right. So these clips are going inside that hole. So sometimes you push this hard and those clips are going inside. Or sometimes you just need to squeeze this part with some pliers to make it go inside here. So we got one inside with the help of the pliers. I'll try to push this with my hand. Okay, there it is. Okay, this is in. The other one, we have a problem with the lighting, I'm sorry. The other one goes right here. Just like so. Then we move the caliper down and we put the balls, the 9 hex. So let me put the caliper down. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. All right, make sure everything is in place. So we're gonna use the ratchet and we're gonna start to tie these bolts. This one on top and the other one right there in the bottom. I tried to find the torque for those bolts, but you know, if you guys know how much is the torque, so just please let me know. All right, so I'm gonna tie that down and I'm gonna put that clip right here. We done. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I sent you a message that we still are not signed up for email with our accounts that we signed in, that we joined with, because I can't get the email that everybody's getting.
Okay, we got a new clip that we're gonna put it right here. We can put the old one. Okay, I'm gonna put this part just by hand. And then I'm gonna use the screwdriver. Push this thing inside. Let's try the one in the bottom first. Okay. Okay. Let's put the wheel on. We put the wheel on and we're done. Just press the brakes, push it until they get hard, and you're good. Good to go. Okay, at this point the brakes are gonna be super soft. So you pump until you're feeling normal. And that's it. You change your brakes and you save some money. All right. Okay, guys. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Mercedes Benz. Like $1,000 to do this job. Unbelievable.